Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to limit unwanted interactions in Instagram. So I'm just going to go to my profile. Oops, let's go back. Go to your profile, go to these three lines on the top right corner, go to settings, and let's go to privacy. And there is a sort of limits tab under the interactions section of the privacy. Just click that, and as you can see, this is limit unwanted interactions. If you feel like you're being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. Limiting is similar to restricting, but helps you manage harassment from groups instead of individuals. We'll recommend groups of accounts you may want to limit comments and messages from. Limited comments and messages will be hidden unless you approve them. This won't affect your reach in the feed and explore. So I'm just going to click on the Continue tab. Who to limit: accounts that aren't following you. These accounts may be spam or fake, or may have been created to harass you. Or recent followers: these accounts started following you in the last week. I'm just going to, it's automatically turned on. And how long to limit for 1 week, and you can just press that and either make it 3 weeks, or 4 weeks. Or you can also make it like a few days only. So, for instance, a day. Set reminder and turn on. And now I've turned on limits, and that is basically it. That's how you limit unwanted interactions in Instagram. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!